Hello guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experienced 10 years in office. Today I teach you data row into convert in cell. How to cell data convert into row. You can see guys, let's start first. Just click and select data, then right click and click option insert menu, click row option, click and OK. You can see guys, row data change, row down and control Z. You can see guys, data change. And next, convert into cell. First click, then right press, insert menu option, enter shift cell down and enter row down. Just click and OK. Row down option use. Menu insert. Again Control Z, right press. First of all click data, select and right press, insert menu, column enter and OK. You can see column, next column. You can see guys, Control Z, next select, right press and insert menu, click, shift cell into right side. So just click and OK button. You can see guys, shift cell into right side, shift cell into right side. You can see guys, shift cell into right side. Next Control Z. You can see guys. Again first click and select data, right press and insert menu option, enter the row option, click and OK. You can see guys, row option, then downside row, Control Z. You can see guys, it is used for very useful purpose. This Excel formula, cell convert into row, row convert into cell, and right side row and convert into left side Excel sheet in data in cell. You can see guys. Hello guys, how to zoom in zoom out formula. Just click and zoom option, just click zoom option. You can see guys, zoom in and again just click zoom out. Zoom option very useful. You don't see in Excel, you just click zoom out and just click zoom in. Very useful formula. Just click zoom out, zoom in, just click zoom out. You can see guys, very useful formula, zoom in zoom out.